Waja do not frame of fata because we are
okay.
Many about Yata Bantima. One of the 5 children Panibia friend of Yauchem. Bantima White House name Mammy Fiadoko who know Bantima. We are Bantima Yakola Pa.
I see.
You know, beside me who never be na many minute.
Okay.
Na me na see you right. Ma kanwa so da.
Ewo Bantima.
Dabi ewo atwoma boko.
Oh, okay.
Kanwa so da.
Boko here.
Yes, atwoma boko.
I'm told so Benina so.
Be papa free Benina.
Oh, okay.
Ana me ma me free boko.
Hey, any I saw the oti kwachire here. I see.
You know, na sati atwoma contain me. TV so me na msala na so dwan so. Anyway, you know, me na try. No ye no say you crafo. Ti so nya atwoma boko na soja. Soja deba.
Where brefo?
Soja deba e kodwa.
I see.
Kanwa so me yakobokubu so ya granate ya.
Okay.
Crisis that na say shushan boy.
I see.
Not because of Bibia but na na say ejumaden ya. Me na tete me na kodwa boagene atwoma mansa. Nyakopo fo mu nyina kransie. To be end up in 1988. No for the family cotton Kentampo Kakra. And I'm Kuya Kentampo Secondary School. Because now I am a Greek officer.
Okay.
Kentampo Secondary School, we can America in 1991, Oko school no recorder. In the Pabe sister is I'm still open the past year. That was me.
Wow.
1991 to go to A level.
Common entrance.
Heavy.
Oh, okay.
To go O level.
O level.
To go
okay.
to A level.
A level, okay.
And I'm the man and be pure case. That time now. If he did A-level out, David Akwete is my classmate.
Oh, I see.
Yes, it's I was a couple of my man in Yakwanya. But I'm working Tampo, I'm a store boy because I'm a store for first 3 years and I'm a course school day.
Okay.
It's about by a store, do case, A-level. No, my sister was like that taxi. I used to drive taxi and I joined a washer. Yes. Now, thanks be to God, we A-level. Ukakabi biabo mamenya 3
Wow.
Yeah. A in economics, A in government, A in accounting. If you combine my 2 results.
I know what being David.
David, no, he's good. Government.
It's just an average student. Don't
he wasn't.
It's just an average student.
Me PA government do me PA.
Just what blood here.
Anyway, and the firm want to know. Okay, so you go there or any paper 183 or 180 something. Nipa 2 penny to me call for accounting will go.
I see.
Many also Canada my kid near the Koya Humana. Madam, I make on vacation class. Be to me sister taxi. Taxi Juma. To me, and couple of them good graces. And on Mammy has a charity.
Okay.
It's from 1994, we case 93. From 1994 to 1999, my nipa over 2,500 a day.
Not charity.
My charity will come for not part time.
Okay.
Prempe college part time. But charity will case 5 a.m. I'm starting part time. But the charity will school be high, BB top high. School be so much, but yes, I see baby. Mr. Charity, we call Kolongo Dumasi every weekend. We call Chubo Kudia every weekend. We call a friend of Prempe college, a friend of Joe, Mupon Prep and Machum. I'm the Moko show to 11 p.m. I used to teach about 7 schools in a day. In fact, I'm cramming in the contest. My friend, my opponent. And so I used to go to Chubakodi and teach him and his wife. I used to lecture him part time at Fellows Commercial. Me coming from Masedabi. Me can say somebody that I also assisted. That's I used to do all those things. Me colleague Presec. A coach part time. I don't know doing BBA. So by the time you university, let me go cast 3.
You?
Yes.
After investing
1994, so bakaya ye ko university no omu to university be almost 6 months.
Yeah.
Within 3 months na matoka adichenko. I saw my first million Ghana cedis when I was teaching. Within 3 months. We university na mo cast 1 2 3 bitel back on am the church ade taxi back on na trotro from national service time now before national service we really gone 1998 before national service. And a friend is say we will be 1 month to be. Let me treat me a metro draw. Bantama, Jakiti, I'm saying, mate, who mate no be Ravan be mate. Name me Chumadi because they be out the sales banner and where some style. But she bet 3 months and I'm going national service. If it's a jusu, let me go. 207. That was then. Copa Daroma. Then my Konya Jumo Africa Century, Snapiaba. First branch manager in Snapiaba.
I'm told in West Africa.
Was it?
I'm told so now the Snapiaba by West Africa.
Opposite Candy, the buyer party, Opportunity International.
Oh, okay, Opportunity International.
It was Snapiaba. I couldn't be by saying true proposal and could $1 million in July 2000 between March July. In 1999.
99 I said now.
98.
I said after where we invest
2000.
2000 yeah.
We school a me juma.
Okay. Where we invest here we
me juma was snappy aba.
Okay.
Abia me car about Georgia.
Yeah.
And I buy. No can be branch manager wa grow. But me business plan chro.
Okay.
When I started I used to write business plans and other things for consulting firm be am no me.
And all this while out to 2000 you know unko abruchire.
I went in 2000 July 23rd. Okay. I was here. But me am visa no around 99.
Okay.
December 99 me am visa. But I'm Accra as branch manager for Snapiaba. And no musi no ukwaya yenya proposal bi churumai.
I see.
Na me jabi bi na visa shem butum 6 months. That time na me decide say me call US akoja adwuma be 6 months bi apet 6,000 bi agumbutum. And I make sure proposal no I receive $1 million among Ghana. I'm up Snapiaba. To me true me that office there sometimes me didn't that almost 10 days. I mean true. The me and say me surround up am ko dware maba. Me true sa na koneba a US aid grant.
Okay.
To me true no me true 23rd 22nd June or July 26 number US. Because school that's going to be August
in 2000.
Yeah, so I chose to do something good. It was if an abodo.
Okay.
To abodo gusi and that chance abeka. Quickly me through the coin September 2000 and they approve sa grant no. Sa grant no me dey say me 99%. Me boss on kwan na kind me through bia. Sa grant no na e ka say Snapiaba ni license to do savings. It be energy savings and they matter then social security bank. The savings got to another book number exchange some alone. The exchange create a bank that has the capacity
to do savings.
To take savings and on the Opportunity International. Luckily enough, now a 4-year grant. To me call US. We call school Troy University, Alabama. We maybe na some of the be two born so okay. 9/11. Until you get to school. Akopa dwuma ye ese foreigners na be san kwa asem no to America na foreign student unya dwuma ye no problem enya dwuma ye enya bi iti wala mse okay mesa ye MBA ba kwa kan me 2 MBAs because do US be 2 MBAs in 1.5 years.
Wow.
And the reason is that Osama bin Laden be two born na foreigners upia free school ma unya dwuma ye.
I see.
Sadia me twen kakra. And I make on me MBA in accounting. Almost met me 2 years. I feel quite evaluation of my results from A-level, University of Ghana, Legon. And I'm saying, oh no, we a BSc accounting student. You can do it in 1 year.
Wow.
And I'm 2-year program so about 1 year. And I'm saying, Fabako count. I'm a year and I'm do buy tap. Maybe we know an opportunity in the national US. Let me boss a friend, Mr. Kanapente Mensa. No, I see you. I was Snapiaba. No, about US, I can't even say I've lost my best employee. Abba school, Semunya chance biana Montreal. To me, I may be school no 2 months time. Ochem, do you want to do internship with that? Internship in the attachment?
Yeah.
I'm saying, why not? I'm saying, why you go? I say, me Laura Roberts, me free Opportunity International. O boss of Beckham was some handy, but so very attachment to her. From Alabama to Chicago. This 6 months in a creative portfolio, they hire me. And then me project manager in charge of Africa and Asia.
Wow.
Yes. Until any USAID money bia Opportunity International beji bia no. I'm the boy here for. The two here, I did financial services in Africa and Asia. No? I was the guy responsible. The young African man, Mr. Nyankopada, we school, we June 2000. By the end of 2003, I'm a chartered accountant in the US. I cut for the exams and chatted. It's nice. I mean, technical program management, project manager, managing everywhere. Every 2 months, be ana me too. By the time I feel opportunity international US, Chicago, no. Now we met to countries Marco bear 25. Me na inya granta me cost setting up, me co build the bank and me build internal controls, me board, set up the board, and then maybe a year we can internal controls in BBA na say ya de enti me ada Roma and only your friends say part of the but in terms of education, I mean after A level, the University of Ghana, 2 MBAs, chartered accountant, and that's basically the record. But professional life, no, yes, Snappy, Africa Central Advisors, Snappy Aba, Opportunity International US. But we did 5 years now, I'm another bigger company. We could employees over 12,000. Global Union, more different subsidiaries. So I was the North American financial controller.
I see.
The media say I do financial reporting, I do internal controls, I engage in taxation. Beyond BBI, a friend say it has to do with accounting and finance. I did a lot of things. I did about 8 years over there. Let me share. Country two. Now every year I'm going to China, 54 a year. Because head office was in China, in Taiwan. I go, then we'll go and tour the factories and other things, and I would do annual finance managers trading. I was the guy coming from the US with my boss. So from the best come from the US. So
you now call these Asia countries, and I just said
they tell you Obama.
Fans, no.
Chairman of Obama.
Oh, I see.
Yes, because I think you're too intelligent. Because we call black people of all the people, just few people. I was born in Ghana for a reason. Never by mistake, Naomi to Bantama Monteneso. Never by mistake, Naomi Ghana. I was making 6 figures. Everybody tells you I was making 6 figures in America, it means they're doing good. Yes. I said, but I felt there's a bigger call than that.
And a year, Ben?
That was 2012, 13.
I see.
Decided to say, no. I have to come back to Ghana.
You more or less spent about 10 years.
Almost, it was more than that because maybe about 13, end of 13. So pretty much about 14 years.
The average of about 13, 14 years.
Yes, that's it.
America.
Yes.
After
2 years for schooling.
All this while, and you could make mark.
Yeah.
And you had to come back.
Yeah, I had to come back and bring all my energies because they've been here.
And that time, now Ghana established opportunity.
Opportunity International, no?
Yeah.
Proposal no 2000, no? You be in 2004. The first branch, ended the work playground.
Because the first loan, I mentioned loan was 2006.
Very good.
Opportunity.
Until 2004, no. I didn't go to me a grant.
First bank loan, I made all my life.
Good.
Opportunity savings.
Very good. No, I say Opportunity International snap your savings and loan. Actually, no much mummy, no Opportunity International. And that time, no me buy. 2000. It me call 2000, but 2004 me buy. If 2004 no, every year me buy Ghana.
Oh, okay.
I was lucky I was able to come.
It was a very interesting discussion with Daniel Ochamabuaje, and another pair me with 2 big interviews. My Security and Exchange Commission meeting come out in the next few minutes, but with Daniel Ochamabuaje, I beshe na fe ya timi ahwe na ya din come. I just na me pese minya a few background about him. Is ya from his background school up to the time 2014 or Baba started this issue of 2016 election. Nyame adumutimi penetrate here, but ants back sanitary